Children, welcome to e-learning classes. As you know, your first chapter is going on and your topic is Roman numerals. So, today let us learn about Roman numerals. Children, we know that the ancient Roman used letters to write numbers. Even today, the building date on monuments or public buildings is marked in Roman numerals. And we also use Roman numerals in clocks and watches. Here are the letters used to write the numbers. So, we will see here which letters we use as a Roman numeral. So, let us see here. This table is made. One is symbol and another is numbers. So, this is I, this is V, this is X, L, C, D and M. So, children, these 7 letters we use for Roman numerals. In numbers, I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. Now, after learning the symbols, we need to remember 3 rules while writing the Roman numerals. Let us learn each rule one by one. So children, you can see here I have written 3 rules for writing Roman numerals. That are, first is rule of repetition, second rule of addition and third rule of subtraction. Now children, we will learn about first rule. What is first rule? That is rule of repetition. So, in rule 1, first rule is when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. If we will repeat a symbol 2 times, so that will be multiplied by 2, and if we repeat the symbol 3 times, so that will be multiplied by 3. Now, for example, you can see here that one table is made. One is Roman numerals and another is Hindu Arabic numerals. So children, you can see here in 3 columns, M is written, M is written and M is written. One time N, twice and thrice it is written. So, meaning of M, we use M as 1000, twice M as 1000 multiplied by 2, that is 2000, and triple M means thrice, so 1000 multiplied by 3, that is 3000. Once again, M is 1000, double M is 1000 multiplied by 2, 2000, and triple M is 1000 multiplied by 3, that is 3000. Now, second rule of first rule is, that is repetition. Second rule is symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. Means these 4 symbols, that is I, X, C and M, are repeated only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Children, example we will see. So, by mistake I have written here Roman and here Hindu Arabic. So, our table is, first column is Hindu Arabic numerals and second column is Roman numerals. So children, we can see here in Hindu Arabic numerals column, we have written 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in Roman numerals, 1 is written as I, 2 is written as 2I and 3 is written as 3I. So children, what we see here, that this rule means that I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times, not more than 3 times. So in 1 we can write as I, 2 we can write as 2I, 3 we can write as 3I. But in 4 we don't write 4 as 4I, because this is not correct, this is incorrect, and we don't write I more than 3 times. So children, clear this example? Now C is the symbol V, L and D are never repeated. That is, symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. So example you can see here, Hindu Arabic numeral is 10, again 10. Roman numerals is, we have written double V and X. So how we can understand it, this table? So this means that we do not write number 10 by repeating V, because we don't repeat V, L and D again. Then we can write 10 as X. So we don't write 10 as V or V, double V. We write only 10 with the help of X. So this example shows that we don't repeat V, L and D. Now children, rule 2. What is rule 2? Now let us see. Rule 2 is rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. What does it mean? It means then that when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right side of the higher value, so we, in that condition, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Now as example we will see, let us consider X and I. So what do you mean by X? X means 10. And what do you mean by I? I means 1. So what does 10 and 1 means? 10 plus 1 become 11. And 11, for the symbol of 11 is XI. So the Hindu Arabic number for this Roman numeral is 11. Clear? This rule number 1 and 2. We will learn rule 3 tomorrow. And children, your homework is learn rule 1 and 2 by heart. Learn the rule and understand it. If you are having any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.